Hello guys and welcome to IT Danny YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to show you 10 tips and tricks for Windows 10 with some hidden features. As IT Handyman, I get in touch with a lot of people who updated to Windows 10 Creators Update and they asking me, Danny, show us some juicy tips for the system. And that's why I'm here, so let's do it. First, awesome and hidden features for maps. Let's see. I will find the application, Maps. Here I'm opening Windows, Ink, Toolbar and switching to Directions button. Now simply drawing a line from A to B, home to office for example, will generate real path directions. That is just tremendous. I can of course use my finger instead of the pen, now enabling touch writing and measure distance button, and drawing line revealing distance by arrow from the point A to B. Let's write some information so I can share this with my friends or colleagues. Once I'm done editing the map section, I can use Windows Printcreen combination to save whole screen to pictures folder. Or in this case more useful, Windows Shift S, which allows me to copy custom section of the screen to clipboard. I can then use well-known Ctrl V feature, in this case in the MS Paint application, and here it is. Gorgeous. Now let's see some great stuff you can do in Microsoft Edge. Here I saved my previous browsing by using Set these tabs aside feature. It's useful when you are switching between multiple browsing sessions or projects, or you want to store tabs for a short period of time. Just like this, you can save all current tabs, start a new browsing session, and later restore previous work instantly. Next tip is about making notes directly in Edge. For example, you would like to share a section of the website with someone. First, let's highlight important information, the name, then point out a lovely flower and write a comment. Now I'm clipping custom section of the website and copying it into the clipboard. Another piece of software art, literally Paint 3D. Starting this advanced editor and I have multiple editing options for regular two-dimensional work. As you can see, I personally love calligraphy pen. Now the fun part, let's add a dog, here in brown, and move it in a 3D way. It's a police dog obviously, so it needs proper eyes cover. I just stamp the sticker at the spot and I'm about to add another 3D object. Changing to green color and using 3D tool to create some grass. And now the magic. Wow, I have created this just in a few seconds. Guys, imagine what can be done with this tool business-wise for commercial or education purposes, or if you are an artist. Endless potential. But anyways, you need to save your project or even better export it. Then your three-dimensional object can be used within core Microsoft Office applications, or you can straight print out such an object on 3D printer. Next one, the calculator. Almost forgotten alpha and omega of the computers, tool which evolved over the time as well. After starting the app, I got simple calculator, but by clicking on hamburger menu, you can access multiple functions of this app. Here I'm switching to scientific calc, and now we also have new inbuilt converter. Let's convert length of aerial line from previous map tip, 2.9 kilometers. The line was 1.8 miles, which equals to 38 jumbo jets. Great Easter egg, Microsoft. Now let's return to Microsoft Edge for one more time. Inbuilt ebooks reader. Here I have electronic book in ePub format. Once downloaded, it's open itself in reader mode within Edge. You can go through page by page or move faster in the book like this. And the best of all, let the system read it for you so you can learn something new when cooking, for example. Oh yeah.
In that scenario, a better choice than a local account is to create a new Microsoft account using a free Outlook.com address.
I hope you want some more, because I have another outstanding feature for you, Connect application. Great for meetings or family content sharing. Simply project your screen to another device so everybody can see your presentation, for example. I start Connect app on the Surface, and on the Dell I'm searching for the device. You can use WinK shortcut to get to this menu. Systems are handshaking for a few seconds, and here we go. I'm setting the Connect app for full screen on the Surface and starting the PowerPoint presentation on a Dell. This is simply awesome. Next one, improved Windows Defender Security Center. Another great inbuilt app. Guys at Redmond doing great job with its security tool and antivirus, which is pre-installed in your Windows 10. It's quite fast, reliable enough, and not that greedy for system resources. It automatically updates itself and scans the PC periodically. Furthermore, any file you put into the computer is checked and tested promptly. This tool also provides various features for your parental control, so you can keep your younger family members a bit safer. Basically, the Windows is a great package full of old and new functions. There are much more hidden gems within the system and you can easily explore them with Tips application. It's catalog and manual in one and every topic is well described. Here for example, night light feature for reducing blue light coming out of the screen, again in build. Or description how to connect wirelessly in case you get lost. But if you get lost too deep that you need pro help, there's an application covering that too, Quick Assist. Because of the nature of my work, I'm using this app quite often. In this case, I'm about to give remote assistance to a user. I can send this security code over the phone, for example. User on the other computer types the code and allows me to control his PC. And I can provide much needed support or tweak some settings. Simple as that. These were 10 tips and tricks for Windows 10 Creators Update. But of course, I have a little bonus for you fellas. This applies in general to any system and it's the way how to become more efficient. Look at this mess. Not a single application has to be on desktop, so get rid of them finally. Keep only your data and files on desktop. Applications and programs can be pinned to taskbar or nicely sorted on the start menu. Basically what I want to say, keep the desktop clean, make the world a better place. And that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks for Windows 10. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for next upcoming videos. By the way, don't forget to check iMessage sticker pack for mom and supported mom. That's all. Dan is out. Peace in your heart and see you around.